Good day, viewers. My name is Nodi Yambo, and today we are going to talk about power tools for the grade 9 technical studies learners. A tool that is driven by a power source or mechanism such as an electric motor, petrol engine, or compressed air is known as a power tool. However, a tool that requires physical manual labor is known as a hand tool. This lesson will focus on power tools.
Learning objectives. Learners should be able to know different power tools and their uses. Electric hand drill. An electric drill is the most used tool among all the power tools. Various electric drills have different power and capacity. Most drills are made with a trigger switch on a pistol grip handle. Uses of an electric drill. It is mainly used to bore holes in a variety of materials. The electric drill can be used for a variety of other tasks by fitting various attachments. For example, 1. Driving in screws. By attaching a screw bit, some drills can rotate anti-clockwise, making it possible to remove screw as well. 2. Grinding or sanding by fitting a special attachment. 3. Drilling pilot holes. Small hole drilled ahead of the proper hole as a guide. 4. Cutting out holes. Saw bits can be attached to cut out holes in a variety of materials. Bench grinder. Most bench grinding machines have electric motor that drives two grinding wheels simultaneously, so that grinding wheels of different abrasive or grain size can be mounted at each end. A grinding machine must be bolted securely on the workbench and must be fitted with wheel guards, transparent eye shields, and a tool rest. Uses of a bench grinder. 1. Grinding the cutting edge of tools square. 2. Removing burrs from cold chisels. 3. Repairing screwdrivers, drills, bits, and the points of punches. Angle grinder. An angle grinder is a hand-held power tool used for cutting, grinding, and polishing. An electric motor drives a geared head at the right angle. Uses of an angle grinder. Removing or grinding off excess material from a piece of metal. 2. Cutting various types of materials, for example, roofing sheets, bricks, various types of metals. Jigsaw. A jigsaw is a power tool that operates by an electric motor. It has a handle attached to a small reciprocating thin saw blade. It does not have power and accuracy of larger saws, but it does have the ability to cut a straight line with the help of a parallel guide attachment. The blades are small, weak, and unsupported at the lower end. To guide a jigsaw on a curved cut, it must be steered or turned and not forced to move sideways. Uses of a jigsaw. 1. Cutting slots, curves, and circles in a wide variety of material. Includes wood, plastic, and metal. 2. Cutting out holes in metal to fit pipes. 3. Cutting angles of up to 45 degrees. Soldering iron. Soldering iron is a method of joining metals by melting a fusible alloy called solder with a low melting point into the joint. A soldering iron is generally used for this purpose. Soldering iron can be heated by gas or electricity. Uses of a soldering iron. 1. Sealing the seams on cans for the canning industry. 2. Installation and repairs of electronic assemblies. 3. Large irons can be used to solder joints in sheet metal objects. 4. Soldering joints in copper pipes. 5. Soldering on motherboards of computers, radio, etc.
Dear viewers, now that we have come to the end of our lesson, let us recap on what we have learned today.
In today's lesson, we discussed electric hand drill, bench grinder, angle grinder, jigsaw, soldering iron.
Thank you for joining us. Until next time, stay safe, sanitize your hands, and wear your mask.